It's been over 2 years since I posted a video, so I decided to go ahead and do another one. Try to stick with it this time. Not much had changed in my trading setups. I'm still doing very much the same thing. I'm using the 1 minute, trading the micros with the 89 HMA Hull moving average. News service has changed. I'm now using Financial Juice. I was one of the founding members and ended up with a great deal lifetime, and took advantage of that, and they do a great job. So decided to go with the YM today. There's a lot of movement with the YM recently with the Dow. Pre-market, I was looking in, trying to find direction. It looked like we're going down, and I took my first trade in here. As it was trending down, the 89 HMA was trending down, and we broke it. I took it. It moved against me quickly, and I bailed with a small loss. Today was I hardly made any money today. Actually, it was a very slow day. Then, as it broke it again over here, I went back in and took a small gain. Then 9 o'clock we had some news. We had existing homes, we had Eurozone consumer confidence, and US existing home sale change, as well as we had Fed speakers most of the day and ECB. So with this news hit, that changed direction, started to move up. This would have been a great setup. I'm not really sure why I didn't take it. I didn't. That would have been my daily goal. Then over here I set up the trend line again, thinking we may have another chance. Then decided against it as we are starting to flatten. The 89 HMA started to flatten here, as well as we had many legs already to this move. As we started to go down, I did take a short in this break with the trend down, then added to it as we moved up again, and I even put a fill down here right above the yesterday's close at 64, but it went as low as 65. Didn't quite make it, so it moved up. It still looked weak. I took one last lot in here. Then as we moved down, I started to notice that the 89 HMA is flat as can be, so I bailed out of all three to pretty much again end up the day with a break even day. Then the day I put this range in here, and the day stayed within this range. I was waiting for it to break out of this range, either up or down. I was thinking down, and I was wrong, obviously. It moved up. I didn't take it. I didn't take this. I didn't take this. I didn't take any of those. And it's just my bias was thinking down. I don't know why. It was just a mistake. So I missed on all those trades. And then 2 o'clock came in, and I kind of stopped for the day. I did take one other trade on the euro, and that was also a news setup. Euro had very much the same thing, did the same thing as the Dow. I took a long here. It ranged for a couple of hours and finally gave up on it. And of course, right after I gave up on it, well, not that after that, it did move up, but it just did not. It was not a good trade. I went out to break even, so I ended up the day with just $16, nothing, just a flat day. Did not make my goal, and that was it for the day.